This is not a runway, and this plane has no power.
Interstate 985 is built for routine. Thousands travel these lanes every day, trusting the road to behave like a road. Drivers look forward, not up. The sky feels distant, separate, and harmless.
Earlier that day, a Beechcraft 985 Baron prepared for what was meant to be a routine training flight.
The flight was instructional, controlled, designed to reinforce safety, not test survival.
Minutes into the flight, the aircraft turned back. In aviation, early returns are rarely accidental.
The aircraft was no longer flying under power. It was gliding on borrowed seconds. Both engines stopped producing power. Redundancy was gone. Time became the enemy. Below, there were no runways, no fields, only bad choices and worse ones.
Interstate 985 became the only option left.
The pilots committed. There would be no second attempt.
The plane collided with a moving car. Inches determined who lived.
The aircraft touched down on the highway. Not smoothly, but under control.
Both engines were unpowered. The propellers struck and stopped. That likely saved her life.
One moment she was driving home. The next, she was beneath an airplane.
Both pilots survived. The aircraft did not.
First responders arrived quickly. The highway went silent.
Investigators began asking the hardest question. Why did both engines fail? In light aircraft, fuel must be managed manually. One mistake can silence both engines.
There was no fire. For investigators, that detail mattered.
By nightfall, the road returned to normal. But for those who were there, nothing ever would.